Doug, welcome to Floor Talk. It's great to have you on the show.
Thank you so much for having Octave here. It's a real privilege.
So let's start off by talking about the company. Tell me about Octave and your mission.
Octave is a Silicon Valley company. We're in precision medicine. We have focused on redefining the standard of care for neurodegenerative diseases and really starting with multiple sclerosis. Multiple sclerosis is probably the largest, most common neurodegenerative disease in the world. It affects mostly women between 20 and 40, so they're really in their prime. And unfortunately, there's huge gaps in the standard of care today. Super qualitative, subjective, oftentimes characterized as trial and error. So we've developed an incredible tool that really empowers doctors and patients to make sure they're on the right drug at the right time to really optimize their treatment.
And how is Octave different from others that are in the precision medicine industry?
We have developed the world's first and only clinically validated multi-biomarker blood test that really helps a doctor or a patient really understand, is their disease in control or out of control? And why that's as important is because MS is progressive. It's always changing and it's chronic. And so it's really important to understand at a point in time what's happening with my own personal MS, and am I on the right treatment or not, so I can make a change proactively to make sure I can live a higher quality of life and longer.
Doug, what are you hearing from doctors and health plans about their needs and Octave's solution?
Doctors love this. They actually call it sometimes the Holy Grail. It gives them for the first time something objective and biologic to really help them understand their patients and specifically make sure that the right patient is on the right treatment at the right time. It really empowers them and also creates this really unique shared decision-making experience for the first time for patients, so they feel much more in control and peace of mind. Health plans, they love this. They love this because MS is one of the most expensive diseases for their entire book of business, and they don't have a solution for it. So when we talk to health plans, they tell us, wow, this kind of information is going to help our doctors make sure that our members have the right treatment at the right time to not only help them improve the outcomes, but also to save money. It's a really big breakthrough in the whole industry and really moving the field forward.
Doug, what are some of the company's priorities moving forward?
Well, we're continuing to really focus on our leadership in MS and continuing to generate evidence and educate and build awareness among doctors and patients to make sure they're aware of and using this new standard of care. In addition to MS, we've expanded into Parkinson's with our partnership with Michael J. Fox Foundation. And in partnership with Michael J. Fox, we have actually developed the world's first Parkinson's multi-biomarker test to assess Parkinson's disease progression, which is going to be incredible. It's not only going to help physicians and patients, but also going to help pharmaceutical companies who are developing new drugs to help Parkinson's patients. So this will help really kind of expand and round out our impact on patients and also help us realize our vision.
Well, Doug, it's been wonderful to talk with you. Thanks for joining me on Floor Talk today.
Thank you.